In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom animation on Gohighlevel page elements. To get started, go ahead and open Gohighlevel in your browser. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're working inside the correct sub-account. This is important because funnels, websites, and page assets are usually tied to a specific account. So you want to confirm you're editing the right one before making any changes. After that, head over to the Sites section. This is where you'll find your funnels and websites along with the pages you can customize. When you open Sites, go into the funnel or website builder, depending on where the page element you want to animate is located. If you already know which page you're updating, this part should be quick. Once you're in the correct funnel or website, click Edit to open the page builder. This will take you into the visual editor where you can directly click on the content blocks and elements on your page. From here, select the specific element you want to animate. This could be a headline, image, button, section, or another page component. Just click on the element so its settings appear. Now look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where the settings panel appears for the item you selected. In that panel, find and click on Animations. This area controls how the element behaves visually when a visitor lands on the page, and it's where you can add motion to make your design feel more dynamic and polished. Next, click on Entrance Animation. This setting lets you decide how the element should appear when it loads on the page. It's a simple way to draw attention to important content without redesigning the whole page. After opening the entrance animation options, you can choose the effect you want to use. At this point, you'll be able to select from animation styles like fade, slide, bounce, or rotate. Each one creates a different feel, so choose the option that best matches the look and purpose of your page. For example, fade can feel clean and subtle, slide can help guide the viewer's attention, bounce adds more energy, and rotate can create a more dramatic effect. As you make your selection, keep the user experience in mind. Animations work best when they support the content rather than distract from it. Once you've chosen the style you want, your element will now have a custom entrance animation applied inside your Gohighlevel page builder. And that's it. You've successfully added custom animation to a page element in Gohighlevel.